Hi and welcome to the first part of the Certificate in Organic Primary Production course. This first part of the course is looking at the principles of organic production. So it's looking at how we can create a really resilient, robust, diverse farming system that produces organic products as a consequence of the design of that farming system. So in this first part we're going to be looking at how ecosystems are organised and the different aspects of the healthy function of the ecosystem. And the reason we're doing that is that if we can design an agricultural system that most closely resembles a natural system, it's going to by nature be more diverse, sustainable, more resilient to disturbances, and require less input of resources from us. So if you look at a forest, for example, a forest doesn't require any input of resources from us to produce wood and nuts and fruit and various animal resources. It produces all of those resources as a consequence of the biological function of that system. So the key concept we're looking at in this first part is the functional diversity of a agricultural system through the biological complexity of it. And we're picking various biological production systems, so fruit trees, nut trees, different animals, grazers, browsers, foragers, and through picking species that are compatible with each other and that create a functional complexity, we can better replicate what you see in nature and create good resilient agricultural production as a consequence of that. So an example of that we can see here with a forest. So in a forest you've got a diversity of plant species, you've got the big canopy trees that are providing shelter and protection and habitat, and then underneath that canopy you've got a variety of sub-canopy trees, shrub trees, herb layers and grasses, particularly on the edge of that forest, and various layers that provide various resources and habitat for different creatures within that system. So when we look at that system, we can then substitute out the species that you would normally see with agriculturally productive ones. So the full-size trees, for example, you can substitute with full-size fruit trees or full-size nut trees. The sub-canopy trees you can substitute for fruit trees that are on dwarfing rootstock. The shrub layer you can substitute for various berry plants. And then